Hey guys, so here is a Matthews fan company gyro. It's probably the most expensive fan on the market at $1,800, so I'm glad Fanimation has a chance to put this up. Low speed.
Yeah, if you could email me, that'd be great.
Alright, so cut this part out. Alright, here's medium speed. And then high. This thing is another one that just goes when it's turned on to high speed, just like the heat cycler. Very powerful. Yeah, medium and low speed appear to not like spin, they just low and huh. Super interesting fan.